Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, YouTube. How are you? My name is Agung Nugroho. I am one of the lecturers of Semarang State University, and I am also the director of this video. This video is educational video to support English department students of Semarang State University in improving their speaking skill. This is created according to intensive course book for the first semester student. This video is for those who would like to find out and to learn how to do the pronunciation and how to read speaking part of the book. I hope this video can be very helpful in your practice of speaking. Have fun and have a great day. Unit 1. Greetings. Hello. Good morning. I'm Brian Smith. Are you Tom Jones? Yes, I am. Pleased to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How are you? Fine, thanks. How is Helen? She's very well, thank you. Excuse me, I have to go now. Good night, John. Goodbye, Bill. See you tomorrow. That is the end of Unit 1, Greetings.
Unit 2, Socialization. Expressions. How are you doing? Fine, thanks. And yourself? Not bad, thanks. What are you doing here? I'm meeting some friends. Are you studying at this university? I am. What are you doing? I'm doing English. Are you? I am. I'm studying literature. Is it interesting? It is, actually. Good for you. Thanks.
Unit 3. Like and dislike. Do you like dancing? I do. As a matter of fact, I love it. You do, don't you? Now I have a proposition. Let's go see a dancing competition. Do you agree? Sure, I do. But I don't have money. Don't worry, we don't have to pay. How come? It's at the university. It's for free. So, take it easy. This is the end of Unit 3, Like and Dislike.
Unit 4. Past activities. Did you miss the bus again? No, I didn't. I was on time today. But I didn't have breakfast. Weren't you hungry during the class? Not really. John gave me a banana, and I managed to get some milk too. You were lucky. I was, actually. The break was short. My professor came early. He started the lesson immediately. Everyone had to rush. It was a busy day. That is the end of Unit 4, Past Activities.
Good day. My name is Agung Nugroho from English Department, and my idea when this team comes to me, asks me to participate in this project, is that I feel very honored and I feel very happy as well, because I think this project could bring lots of benefits for the students of English Department. Like every one of them in the past did not have chance to take a look back at what they should do when they are facing the expressions inside the intensive course book. But now they will have references. They can always open YouTube 24 hours a day if they want to. They can always learn everything from the beginning to the end in the first book of intensive course. I think one of the benefits is that supposedly in the next couple of years from now, if they learn well, using the book and using the references that we create today, they will have lots of good ability, especially in their speaking. So their pronunciation might be correct, and the way of speaking might be very good. That is what I think about this book, and good luck.
Unit 5, Past Activities. Expressions. It's cloudy again. You're right, just like yesterday. I was standing at the bus stop when it rained. There was a long queue, too. We were queuing when the bus arrived. Did you get wet? I did. We all did. When I got home, everyone was eating. Then I joined them. When we were eating, a lightning struck. We were scared to death. It was horrible. When I was washing the dishes, the light went out. There was a blackout. It was a long day.
Unit 6, Future Activities. Will you attend the concert tomorrow? I will. Who will you go with? I think I'll go with Jane. Why did you ask? I'll need a car tomorrow. You can use the car. I'll go by train. Are you sure? I am. I'll be fine. What time will you be home? 10 p.m. Any problems? There won't be any problem. I'll be home when you are. Good. Everything is settled. This is the end of Unit 6, Future Activities.
Hello, good day.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay, would you please tell me the complete version about who you are?
Okay, my name is Fabio Coelho. I am from the United States. I have been in Indonesia for about 3 years, especially in Semarang for 1 year. And I work here as a teacher of English.
Alright, and then I would like to ask you 2 questions. The first one is, what do you think about this video project?
I personally think it's a great project. When students are able to use video and remove the content from a textbook and use video to make it alive and to make it more active and engaging, they learn more. It becomes more interesting, not only for them, but for those who are going to watch it. And that's really the point of learning a language, to actually produce things out of it. So I think video projects like this are great ways for students to learn, and it's a lot more effective than actually just learning from a textbook.
Alright, and the second question is, what is your expectation for the students after they have this reference?
I hope students realize the potential of using technology for learning languages. If you really think about it, having a smartphone and a pair of headphones is like having a mini laboratory in your hands. Through this device, you can access material from all over the world. So the students, and I hope they realize that not only can they access this material and consume all the material that is available, but they can also, like they're doing in this project, produce material that will be used by students not only in Indonesia, but maybe all over the world, so they can learn English better. So it's a great way to discover the potential of technology and how it can make learning become more lively, more interesting, and more engaging.
Alrighty, that is the end of the video recording. Thank you very much, Mr. Coelho. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Unit 7, Future Activities. Guess what? I'll be flying tomorrow. Flying? Yes, at this time tomorrow, I'll be flying to Sydney. And what will you be doing at Christmas Eve there? I'll be watching Luciano Pavarotti. And where is that? At the Opera House. That will cost you a fortune. It doesn't matter. Someone will be paying for the occasion. Will there be someone special? You're right, there will be. I'll let you know. I'll give you a call. I'll be waiting for your call. That is the end of Unit 7, Future Activities.
How is your feeling when we asked you to participate in this project?
First, I was a little bit confused because I'm not a native speaker. But then I thought it's a good opportunity to help the students here at UNES, and I'm glad I can help.
What's your opinion about this project?
I think it's a good chance for the students so they can practice at home, and they are not only in the classroom, like they are not forced to be in the classroom to study, and they don't need a teacher, but they can learn by themselves with this YouTube video. So I think it's a good chance for them.
But next, what is your expectation for this project?
I hope that the students can improve their intonation and pronunciation, and that they will have fun learning it because they're not forced to stay in the classroom or be at campus, but can be anywhere, and that they enjoy English.
Okay.
Unit 8, Orders and Requests, Expressions. Could you do me a favor? Sure, you name it. Could you do some shopping? Fine, tell me what you need. Buy me some snacks, such as? Well, get some chips and cheese. Okay, I'm leaving now. Hang on, don't go just yet. What is it? Buy me some milk too. And one more thing, buy me some sweets. But don't buy any chocolates. Just buy some candies.
Hey guys, my name is Peter. I'm from Germany and I wish you great time with the video and also good luck with the new book. Bye.
Unit 9, asking about ability. Can you help me? Sure, what can I do for you? Can you lift this heavy box? No problem. Can you play the piano this evening? Sure, what's the occasion? It's my birthday. Anything else I can do to help? What about making some calls? Could you ring those college girls? You mean Anne and her friends? That's right. This news can travel fast. Hope they can make it. They will come. This is the end of Unit 9, asking about ability.
Hi, my name is Paul. I'm from the Netherlands and I hope you have a great time watching this video.
Unit 10, Possibility and Permission. Can I use your pencil? Help yourself. And may I ask you something? What is it? May I borrow your car tomorrow? In your dreams. Come on, may I? You may not. You're underage. But I'm big, please. I know you are, but the answer is no. So, can I go to the party? You can. Just don't come home too late. I give you my words. That is the end of Unit 10, Possibility and Permission.
Hello, my name is Gabriel. Wish you good luck with the video.
Unit 11, Necessity, Expressions. You look smart. Thanks. I have a job interview. I have to look neat. And I must get there early. You had better take a taxi. I guess so. Make sure you have correct money. Thanks for reminding me. I must prepare some coins. You've got to wear a tie. And you've got to have your shoes polished. Is that important? It's a must. What else do I have to do? Just be yourself.
Hi, my name is Ali. I'm from Libya. I wish you enjoyed this video.
Unit 12, Preferences. Have you got any plans for the weekend? I'd rather not tell you. Why not? I want a quiet weekend somewhere. I would rather be lying on the beach. It might be crowded. You like crowds, don't you? Right. I like seeing people. I'd rather be in the crowd. I prefer Manly Beach to Palm Beach. Palm Beach is pretty quiet. It takes hours to get there. It's boring. No, it's not. It's peaceful. That's why I prefer Palm Beach. That is the end of Unit 12, Preferences. Action.
Hey there, my name is Xavier Matten. I'm from Belgium and I hope you will enjoy this video. Best luck.
Hi, my name is Julius Ridhama Pratama. I'm from English Education from BLC. So, I want to tell you about this experience. This is my first experience making about some educational video with Mr. Agung Nugroho. I hope that you will enjoy about this. I hope you will study and you can practice a lot about IC and more about speaking in English with Mr. Agung Nugroho and many others from another countries.
Unit 13, Qualifying Things. Who is that pretty young lady? She looks like Andy's sister. Look at her blonde hair. She reminds me of somebody. Who could that somebody be? I don't quite remember. She could be a movie star. Do you mean Julia Roberts? No, Julia Roberts has got darker hair. She's got nice hairdo. She dresses beautifully too. And she walks elegantly. She looks really stunning. Shall we introduce ourselves? It wouldn't hurt. That is the end of Unit 13, Qualifying Things.
Halo, saya Atika dari jurusan Bahasa dan Sastra Inggris Universitas Negeri Semarang. Kali ini saya dan teman-teman berpartisipasi dalam pembuatan video edukasi yang dibimbing oleh Bapak Agung Nugroho. Harapan saya untuk video ini semoga bisa bermanfaat untuk teman-teman semua dan untuk para viewers di YouTube semuanya. Semoga bisa bermanfaat. Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe. Dadah.
Unit 14, Frequency. How often do you come here? Not very often. I usually do my shopping elsewhere. And where is that? I go to Macquarie Center a lot. I go there nearly every day. So you shop nearly every day. Not quite. I do other things too. I do shopping twice a week. I go to the movies once a week. I catch a bus from there nearly every day. I can do my banking anytime. And Woolworth Supermarket opens 24 hours. That's around the clock.
Halo, nama saya Aulia Septiana dan saya adalah salah satu mahasiswa dari jurusan Bahasa Inggris. Saya berharap video ini dapat membantu orang-orang yang ingin belajar bagaimana cara pronunciation yang benar. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe, like, dan komen ya. Dadah.
Unit 15. Yes, no, and tag questions. Excuse me, are you staff here? No, I'm a student. Sorry. Maybe that lady is. Thanks, I'll find out. Excuse me, do I pay my tuition fee here? Yes, you do. But you will need to queue over there. Will it take long? Not really. Can I get my enrollment done today? Yes, you certainly can. Am I entitled to a concession card? Are you a full-time student? No, I'm not. Then you are not. This is the end of Unit 15. Yes, no, and tag questions.
Viewers, perkenalkan nama saya Kasih Melia. Saya sangat senang berpartisipasi dalam pembuatan video ini dan saya juga berharap bahwa video ini dapat bermanfaat bagi para viewers semua. Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe ya. See you, and jangan lupa nantikan video selanjutnya dari kami.
Unit 16. Asking objects or persons. Who are those people? Which people? Those ones at the Students' Union. I think they're Indonesian teachers. What are they doing here? They are taking a short course. On what? I'm not sure. What department will they be in? In the English department. And who organizes the course? It could be the head of school. Ah, there he is, Mr. Hall. Which one? The big tall one on the left. That is the end of Unit 16, Asking Objects or Persons.
Hi, my name is Pandu. Without H in it, and don't misspell it with F. It is Pandu. Pandu. Yeah, it is. I'm here as a data gathering crew to gather data like photo, audio, or something like that. And I'm so excited to join this project with my friends and my honorable lecturer, Mr. Agung Nugroho, and I hope this video will help you to learn English. Yeah, thank you.
Unit 17. Talking about place, time, manner, reason. Expressions. When are you leaving, Tom? Probably next week. And with whom are you traveling? With friends and some teachers. Why are teachers going with you? Well, we have a similar interest, which is mountaineering. Where are you staying? At a motel, at the foot of the mountain. And how are you going up? Who will show you the way? Don't worry, Mom. We've got a guide, the best one in the world.
Hello, my name is Ulum, Baharil Ulum. I'm a student of Semarang State University. This is my first experience to make an educational video on my side. As a student of English department, I have to speak English fluently, but sometimes I feel difficult in learning English, especially speaking. This video, I think, will be very helpful for us, but we don't want to be your guide in learning English. It depends to you to follow our way or not. That's life is a choice. Thank you.
Unit 18. Asking about objects. I need some cash tonight. What ATMs are available at the mall? National Australia and ANZ. Oh, I can't get my money, can I? What's your bank? Commonwealth Bank. No, you can't. Can you? Those two can take State Bank card though. Are you sure? Yes, I am. I have an account at State Bank. That means I can get money, can't I? You certainly can. Thanks for telling me. Cards can come in handy sometimes. That is the end of Unit 18, Asking about Objects.
saya kira tentang proyek ini tuh menarik, mengesankan, juga banyak pengalaman sih. Yang pastinya tuh jangan lupa nonton ya guys. Yang selanjutnya juga ada loh, tungguin aja. Dadah.
Kami sangat senang berpartisipasi dalam proyek pembuatan video edukasi. Kami harap dalam video ini bisa menginspirasi dan juga bisa membuat semangat pembelajaran adik-adik dan teman-teman. Kami harap Anda semua dapat menikmati video ini dengan konten-kontennya yang terbahagia, dan mohon maaf bila mana banyak kekurangan yang masih terjadi di video kita kali ini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.